Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add music in Canva using both Canva's built-in audio library and your own music files from your computer. Adding background music can make your videos, presentations, and social media content much more engaging. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project. Once your design is ready, you have two ways to add music. You can either use Canva's audio library or upload your own music file. We'll go through both methods step by step. To use Canva's built-in audio library, go to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. At the top, select Music or simply search for music in the search bar. Scroll down until you see the Audio section, then click See All on the right side to browse the full collection. If you're a Canva Pro user, you'll have access to a larger selection of tracks. Free users can still use music by filtering for free audio tracks, although the selection may be more limited. You can preview any track by clicking on its cover image. Once you find a song you like, click and hold it, then drag and drop it directly into your project timeline. After adding the music, you can customize it in several ways. Drag the audio track to change where it starts in the video or adjust the ends to shorten or extend the playback duration. At the top of the editor, you'll also find audio controls. From there, you can adjust the volume, which is especially useful if you're adding voice narration and want the music to stay in the background. You can also apply fade in and fade out effects and even use beat sync for smoother transitions. Now let's look at how to upload your own music from your computer. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose the audio file you want to use from your device. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in the Audio section. Just like before, click and hold the track, then drag and drop it into your project timeline. And that's it. You now know how to add music in Canva using both the built-in audio library and your own uploaded files. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more Canva tips and tutorials.